Most contractors pick between Buildertrend and CoConstruct without really understanding the real difference in how these tools actually work in the field. And here's the truth no one tells you. The wrong choice doesn't just slow you down. It can completely change how your business operates day to day. In this video, you'll get a full, honest comparison of Buildertrend and CoConstruct in 2026, so you can clearly see which one fits your construction business, your workflow, and your growth plans. Let's get straight into it. First, you need to understand what these tools are trying to solve. Buildertrend is a full construction management platform designed for builders, remodelers, and contractors managing multiple projects at once. It focuses on scheduling, budgeting, client communication, document management, and job tracking all in one system. CoConstruct is also built for construction professionals, especially custom home builders and remodelers. It focuses heavily on pre-sale planning, client selections, budgeting, and detailed job costing. Now here's where it gets interesting. On the surface, they look almost identical. But under the hood, they are built for slightly different stages of construction management. Let's start with ease of use. Buildertrend is more structured and slightly easier to adopt for teams that want an all-in-one system. A contractor named Alex can start organizing projects, schedules, and client updates in one dashboard with moderate setup effort. CoConstruct, however, is more detail-heavy. It is extremely powerful, but it requires more setup discipline. A builder like John working on custom homes will spend more time configuring selections, budgets, and client inputs before everything runs smoothly. But here's the problem. Many users underestimate setup time and expect instant productivity. That's where frustration usually starts. Now let's talk project management. Buildertrend offers strong scheduling tools, progress tracking, and job coordination. It's built to handle multiple projects across different teams and job sites. You get a clear overview of everything happening in your business. CoConstruct goes deeper into job costing and pre-construction planning. It is especially strong when you need detailed financial control before and during the build. You can track selections, allowances, and real-time cost changes more precisely. Now here's where most people fail. They choose based on features instead of workflow style. If your work is heavily focused on client selections and custom home planning, CoConstruct can feel very powerful. But if you need broader project management across multiple jobs, Buildertrend often feels more flexible. Let's talk client communication. Both platforms offer client portals, but they are used differently. Buildertrend focuses on keeping clients updated with progress, messages, photos, and approvals in a clean dashboard. It reduces back-and-forth communication significantly. CoConstruct takes a more structured approach, especially around selections and budgeting. Clients are more involved in approving specific items like materials, finishes, and allowances. Now here's the interesting part. Client behavior actually affects which tool feels better. Some clients want simple updates, while others want deep involvement in every detail. Let's talk pricing. Both Buildertrend and CoConstruct are premium tools. Neither is cheap, and both use custom pricing based on company size and features. But here's the key difference. Buildertrend is often positioned as a broader, all-in-one system, while CoConstruct tends to feel more specialized toward detailed construction and financial control. So the real question is not which is cheaper, but which system matches your workflow better. Now here's a real-world example. A contractor like Jake, who manages multiple renovation projects with different crews, may prefer Buildertrend because it gives him a wider operational view. But a custom home builder like John, who spends months on a single project with heavy client input, may prefer CoConstruct because of its deep budgeting and selection tracking. Now here's the turning point. Both tools are powerful, but neither is designed to fix a messy workflow. If your internal process is not clear, both systems will feel overwhelming at first. So what should you actually choose? If you want a broader, scalable system that handles multiple projects and teams, Buildertrend is usually the better fit. If you want deep financial control and highly detailed custom home management, CoConstruct is often the stronger choice. To wrap it up, Buildertrend is about managing the entire construction operation, while CoConstruct is about controlling the fine details of custom builds. The best choice depends entirely on how your projects are structured and how involved your clients are in the process. If this comparison helped you, Hit like so more contractors can find it. Subscribe for more honest software breakdowns. And comment below what tools you want compared next, so you can make better decisions without wasting time or money.